Hello everyone. This is the last time I'm going to clean my bathroom. No, not because I'm a trifling bitch, but because I'm going to finally pay someone else to do it. In the meantime, let me show you how I clean my bathroom as a lazy person. I completely wet my entire sink and I'm going to sprinkle some Ajax in it, let that sit for a while, and then I'm going to wipe it down with the antibacterial wipe. I actually have a really long counter. You can only see half of it. I'm going to clear off everything and clean one side at a time. Yes, I'm using the bleach spray. I'm going to spray that and then I'm going to wipe it down with the wipe and then let it dry and put everything back. I have two full bathrooms, one for my kids and one for me, but they clean theirs, I clean mine. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Yes, the bleach spray. Again, I'm going to wipe down the whole entire outside, even the bottom that isn't shown in the video. The blue stuff you see in there is because I previously put some of that Lysol lime and rust cleaner in there, and now I'm just going to scrub it down with a toilet brush. That's honestly my favorite part. And I'm going to restock all of my tissue. That is actually one pack out of a huge ass pack of like 36 rolls. Me and my kids will go through that in no time. Look at this really cool shower curtain I found. It's shiny and I love it. And again, you know I'm going to use bleach spray. I use that on everything. And for the actual tub, I'm going to wet that and sprinkle it with some Ajax. Let that sit. And then if you don't have one of these, what are you doing? I'm going to do my least favorite part of my cleaning routine and scrub down everything with this brush. And I also rinsed down all the surfaces of my shower. I forgot to clean my mirror, so I'm doing that right now. This might be controversial, but yes, I'm using a Swiffer, but guess what I put on the floor before I used the Swiffer? If you guessed bleach spray, you guessed right. Who can guess what song I'm singing? I went over it one time with the Swiffer, threw that one in the trash, and used another clean one and went over it again. And you know that nothing is clean until you have lit a candle. That means it's official. I'm going to use this eucalyptus and spearmint scented Bath & Body Works candle. Gold star for adulting goes to me. Now I can sit down and relax and watch the Golden Girls. Bye.